Hey fart faces, it's Bev, aka Bev Diamond Paints. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I would love it if you join my hive. I post videos about diamond paintings and diamond painting accessories and tools and whatever it may be, anything related to diamond painting, I post about it. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Today, I got this beast of a package from Mary's Diamonds. I'm super excited about it, and I was like, I'm going to open it right now. I actually got it just this morning, and it's like not even 11 o'clock, so I was like, okay, I need to do an unboxing. And this is probably the worst part of the package to start opening it at, because I just chose the middle, but whatever, let's dig in. This is the new version 2.0 of Mary's Diamonds. So now they switched from double-sided adhesive to poured glue, so they have a new, would you say it's a new manufacturer? I don't know if they went with a new manufacturer or whatever, but they have poured glue, so that makes me happy. And I realized I just cut into a diamond painting box. Okay, how are these wrapped? That's the first thing I want to know. Okay. Let's get into it. I'm super excited. I have a Mary's Diamonds. I have completed a Mary's Diamond painting in the past when they were double-sided adhesive, and I really liked it. Oops. And it is licensed artwork, so I'm super excited to show you guys, and not even just show you guys, but to look for my own selfish reasons at this. I believe there's 3 in here. Hopefully there's 3. I don't remember. Okay, so yeah, there's 3. I was like, why does this go into there? Oh my god, look at the box. Look at this box. That's so amazing. If I can get it out, I'll show you. Wow. They didn't have boxes like this before. It's so neat in like 80s. It reminds me of the 80s. Mary's Diamonds. And on the back, there's instructions on how to diamond paint. Inside, you will find a magic adventure full of diamonds and vibrant and energetic colors, softer canvas, and laser cut drills. Laser cut drills. Interesting. Okay. Let's get the rest of these out of here. There's another big one. Oh, this one got squished in shipping. That makes me sad, but it's okay because it's poured glue, and they come shrink wrapped, so that's really great. Okay, then we have this last one that I accidentally cut into. See if we can get this one out. What I should have done was just opened it at the end, but I am not that smart. It smells like plastic. This one also got squishied a bit in shipping. That's okay. Which one should we open first? Tell me. I guess you can't tell me because I'm not able to hear you. So let's open this one first. This one? This one. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. Wow, this box is just amazing. So cool. I love the vibe of this box. Oh my goodness, which one is this? Ooh, look at this. Look at it. It comes with a little ribbon. Okay, so and it says Mary's Diamonds on the ribbon. Okay, that's a nice touch. And it comes wrapped in plastic again, which is great. Which one is it? I want to peek. Is there a thumbnail? Okay. Oh, okay. I know which one this is. Let me just roll it backwards. Okay. This isn't working. Okay, we'll look at the canvas after. First, let's look at the kit that you get. I haven't received one of their new toolkits, so this is really exciting for me. Okay, so you get a bigger white tray, golden tweezers, very sharp, a pen with a 4-placer attached to it, a, what is this? Doesn't have a number on it. I don't know what placer this is, like a 10 placer or something, and a plate of wax. Okay, and it came in this little Ziploc. Here are the drills. This one is a round. Yay! It's Candace Mckay, everyone. This artwork is by Candace Mckay. Again, Mary's Diamonds does do licensed artwork, so Candace Mckay is getting paid for this. Let me take my sweater off because I'm getting warm. Stripping off camera. Wow, so along the border we have Mary's Diamonds. So all around the diamond painting you'll see there's a border that says Mary's Diamonds. Mary's Diamonds. Here, tipped over your organizer, missing drills, have questions, give us a message and we promise you a positive experience. And then there's actually like a angry to very happy face, and the meter is here, so it's like this will be you if you go from here, from tipping over your organizer to being super happy. Exciting. Okay, so can I move this up any more? No. So my tripod will not go up any further because I'm on my smaller tripod, but basically it has Mary's Diamonds at the top. And then there's that nice border, a little QR code. I wonder where that goes to. And then there's the color chart. 27 colors. There's a thumbnail. So this one is like a pastel-y girl in front of, I think, like circus tents or something like that. Or she is a circus tent, and that's the door. 27 colors, and it measures 60 by 70. And oh, this actually says something. Bring the magic in your life. And then it goes on off, like it says the same thing, bring the magic in your life. Okay, so it says Mary's Diamonds at the top, Mary's Diamonds at the bottom, and then bring your magic into your life on the sides. You'll see the schematic is up there, and it's also down here on the right side. Let's take a look at the canvas. I want to see how sticky it is. It is very sticky. It's poured glue. The canvas is soft. It's not like super soft. It does feel like a bit thin, but it's nice. I like this canvas. Yeah, I like it a lot. Okay, I like that a lot. So let's take a look at the drill field. Everything looks really clear on my end. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, let's look at the detail in her face. This looks really good. Really good. Wow, okay. So I'm going to do a tour of the canvas like I always do. Let me just flatten it out and then I'll be back and we can look at the drills. Let's take a look at the drills. So, they come in a package like this. Okay, one thing that I will say off the bat that I don't like already is the fact that they are all separated. So like 758. So they have the DMC codes, and there are the DMC codes on the canvas, but all of the drills are not connected. So see how 351 isn't connected? Like, it should be connected so that, like, when I'm kitting up, I don't have to search for all the 351s in here to figure out what, oh my god, Whoa, 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 back up. There's AB drills. What? Oh, excuse me? There's these blue purpley AB drills. Excuse me? Excuse me. 136. Weird. Okay. So is it like Diamond Art Club where anything under 150 is an AB drill? That's crazy. I had no idea. I don't think it even said on the website when I ordered this. Wow. Are there any other ABs? How do we know if there's ABs? Like, how do we tell? Is it just anything under 150? I think those are the only ABs, but a nice little surprise. Cool. Okay, so we have like a whole bunch of colors. Obviously, I'm not going to do the drill train because, hi, this is just kind of a gong show. There's no inventory sheet. Let me double check. Yeah, there's no inventory sheet that came with this. So I think I'm just going to have to organize the drills and put them put them together and make sure that they're all here. That I have like some of each color maybe? I don't know. How am I going to do that? So basically I started sorting them, as you can see, but I realized that I am lazy by nature, and that's just me. Don't hate on me as a person. Me as a person, I am lazy, and I don't feel like sorting them. So I'm going to sort them afterwards, after I'm done filming this. So this is Mary's Diamonds 2.0. What are your thoughts after seeing this unboxing? Will you be ordering from Mary's Diamonds? Apparently they have more than 15 new artists with new canvases coming out very soon. As I film this video, if you go on their website, everything is sold out, and they're launching their new 15 artists with different canvases. And I'm so excited about it because from first glance of this canvas, I really like it. I'm not so sure if it was like hand charted or not though, because if you look, there's like weird inconsistencies with the color around her neck. But again, this could be an actually different color than this red. It just looks like it's kind of not pixelated, but it's just kind of funny shading colors. But like this red color could actually be a different color, or it could be like a different skin tone. So I won't know until I actually put down drills on the canvas. But what are your thoughts? Will you be ordering from Mary's Diamonds? Let me know if you're impressed by 2.0 or not. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. I post diamond painting videos on a weekly basis, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye!